Hi, welcome to Pin 87. If this is your first video here, my name is Stefan, and today we're going to do something completely different than we've ever done before. Pin 87 is a wiring focused channel, not a hype channel, not a crazy car build channel. We focus on understanding how electrical systems actually work, so you can diagnose, modify, and build cars with confidence. So before we jump in, I want to show you what we're working with and why we're doing this way. Let's take a little field trip. Come on. So welcome to the classroom. And by classroom, I don't mean the garage, I mean the car. This is my 1988 Mazda RX-7. And this is the platform we will be teaching from. The way that I'm going to teach you doesn't matter what car I teach you on. So phase one of this series has a very specific goal. It is basically just chassis wiring, or what it takes to have a street legal chassis in most of North America. So like lights, wipers, horn, etc., right? All that kind of stuff. So in phase one, we are not talking about drivetrains at all. It might as well not have a drivetrain, because what I'm going to teach you in phase one is how to get the car ready to accept any drivetrain. So what are we doing here then? We're taking a completely working wiring system out of this car. We're going to tear it completely apart and teach you the proper way to wire up an entire car. From nothing to everything. Sometimes you get your car back after being in storage for about a year outside and you find things like this. That's broken. Leave a comment below if you think I should mix in a little bit of mechanical stuff. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to stray too far from what we're actually here for. But let me know. Think of this more as power distribution, grounds, battery strategy, routing, harness layout, documentation, all that sort of stuff. So you're probably wondering, what's in here? Well, don't worry about that. Remember, that's phase two, brother. I'm just messing with you. Let's take a look. A 13 VT, duh. It's an RX-7, man. So as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I mean, hell, you guys know how YouTube works. Do it.